three-pointers, the first component to examine is launch angle. Studies have shown that the ideal release angle for a three-pointer is 48 degrees. Our analysis reveals that in the 0.73 seconds it normally takes Alan to get a shot off, he consistently creates a launch angle within just 2 degrees of ideal. Next, release point. Accuracy improves the closer you can release the ball on a plane that's parallel to the rim. That's because that plane represents the shortest distance between the ball and the bucket. Less distance means you have a larger margin of error. Alan approaches that plane by consistently timing his mechanics perfectly to release the ball at the apex of his jump, with the ball almost 9 feet off the ground. That's one of the reasons his three-point percentage from the left corner is roughly 41% higher than the NBA average. Finally, backspin. Alan puts about 2 hertz, or 2 rotations per second, on the ball. This helps decelerate the ball when it strikes the backboard or the rim, using friction to shed energy and lose velocity. And a slower ball is more likely to fall for 3.
This clip shows Ryan O'Rourke shooting a jump shot in slow motion. We will be able to witness the preparatory movements, the wind-up, the power phase, and the follow-through. Normally, the preparatory movements would include coming to the ball and catching it as you jump and land. When landing, your knees will bend, leaning towards the next step for the wind-up. Since Ryan already has the ball in hand, he just takes a step forward and bends his knees to prepare for the wind-up. For the wind-up phase, Ryan's knees are bent and his arms begin to move into the L shape for his shot. His knees are bent so the next phase of power can occur. The next phase is the power phase. This is when you jump to your highest point and release the ball at the apex of your jump. The video before talked about the importance of jumping to your maximum height and releasing the ball at the apex so the distance between the ball and the basket is the shortest length possible. The last phase, which is the follow-through, happens once you reach the apex and the power phase is completed. Your follow-through begins and ends. It is the final part of the jump shot. All the energy is transferred through the body and ends in a snap of the wrist when releasing the ball. Here is a player shooting the jump shot from different angles in full speed motion. Notice the 4 different phases and how he always releases the ball at the highest point of his jump.